Hey loves, hey my loves, welcome back to Beauty Boss Review. In today's video we'll be reviewing a very sensitive product, and it is also a sensitive topic. Before I delve into bringing you the product, I'm going to be explaining what the topic headline is about this product. It is called tretinoin and retinol. So many of us tend to mistake these two for a product that we can play with, and I'm going to advise us to pay attention to what I'm going to be saying on this particular product. Tretinoin and retinol, these two play same role, but I'm going to be telling you which one you're going to try and which one you're going to be careful about. Now, tretinoil is also a derivative that has a very strong and potent ingredient. All right, if you're going to think of using tretinoil, then it has to be prescribed by a dermatologist, like someone that is a professional. Tretinoil and retinol, these two products or ingredients work for acne, especially if you have very terrible and serious acne. You have rough skin, you have stretch marks, you have issues with your skin, like when you have serious breakouts. Tretinoil is advisable to use, but it is not advisable for you to use tretinoil without a doctor's prescription. Tretinoil is very active and might burn your skin, while retinol is a little bit, lower with its potency. The same derivative compound that both have, but retinol can be used over the counter. Like, you can get it over the counter, you can use it without a doctor's prescription, but the best amount or the best measurement for it is go for a retinol with 0.5 milligram. That is what is safe for you to use on your skin. Now, if you have terrible acne and you've not seen a skin doctor, you can try to use retinol 0.5 milligram, but be rest assured that the results will be slower than using a tretinoil. Tretinoil result is actually faster, but along the line you have issues with your skin because it tends to burn you and give you more problems, okay, if not used cautiously and wisely. All right, so you see, tretinoil and retinol, these two fight acne, sunburn, skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, freckles, and all of that. All right, they both do the same job, but they are of different potency. Like, the tretinoil is higher and very active, while the retinol is milder for you to try if you want to go with any of them. Now, I'm going to be giving you a product that has this retinol inside, in case you have acne that won't go away, in case you're breaking out and it won't just go. As one is going, another breakout is coming. I'm going to be showing you the soap that you can try that has retinol. There are a lot of soaps that have retinol to help you to combat acne, pimple, a lot of face and skin issues, stretch marks. So I'm going to be showing you this very particular product. Now, this product comes same but different jobs. It is the RETIN A soap. RETIN A soap. You see these two soaps, if you have breakouts, you have terrible skin issues, lay your hands on this and try it and come back and thank me later. Okay, before I delve into it, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you've watched me up to this moment, kindly do me the favor and smash the subscribe button. It's actually free. It's a way for you to support me, and also let's move to the permanent side. So this is RETIN A soap. Now, this is the 24K Gold, and this is just the Retin A soap. Both are from the same company, the same brand. All right, this is a treatment soap. It comes ordinary. It's a treatment soap for any skin issue. The Retin A treatment soap. Retin A soap is treatment soap. This is a treatment soap. It's 100 weight gram. This as in 100 gram. And this is also the Retin A acne soap. This removes acne and also whitens you. This is the 24K Gold. Now you can see both soaps. All right, this one was what has been in the market ever since for treatment of your face and all of that, but this one at the moment is for whitening and also treating acne. This is to treat your acne, to whiten your face, and also rejuvenate your skin. This one is very good because it actually produces collagen to your face. It helps your face to produce more collagen and smoothens your face while whitening the face. So you can see this is just ordinary. This is treatment soap to treat your acne, to treat pimple and hyperpigmentation, spots and dark spots and sunburn and all of that. This is just a treatment soap, and this one is to whiten and remove acne from your face. Okay, so these both soaps are very good and they are best sellers. Even when this one just came, it's sold very massively. Okay, these soaps are not to be used on a daily basis, guys. These are to be used intermittently, like 3 times in a week. You can go with your normal ordinary soap, or you can actually try Ashanti soap. That one is also good, but this, do not use this every day. I'm going to be revealing what is inside this pack so that you can know the difference when you get to the market. Both are same brand, but there's a difference for you to spot the soap itself when you see them. So when you open this one, you can see this is actually looking transparent. This is transparent. If you can see, this is actually transparent. And I'm going to open this one with the 24K Gold, and you see how this is. And this one, this is the same. You can see this has some gold dust on it, gold flakes, like shiny powder on it. So this is how both are looking. So if you go to the market and you're looking for how to get the difference, this is how to spot it. But you can actually see the name on it, 24K Gold, and this is just the treatment soap. Okay guys, now the both has 0.5 milligram tretinoin, which is actually milder and safer for you to use. So this both does same job, but still one still does something different. Okay, this is for treatment, and this is to whiten your face. Okay guys, so this is a must try, guys. If you want to whiten your face, if your face is darker than your neck, you're having discoloration, you have tried everything and it's not working, or you keep having pimple incoming and outgoing pimple, you can actually try these soaps together. And you can see they are 100 grams, affordable, and they lather so well. I would advise, if you want to use it, you cut this into cubes and use this, is using it only on your face so that it can save you more and last more. You understand? So don't just go with the whole of it. It lathers so well, and we'll finish on time as well. Okay, so guys, this is it about this soap. Retinol is not to be played with, but you can actually lay your hand on retinol. Please, retinol is very high in potency, very advisable you use doctor's prescription. Let a doctor prescribe it for you, unlike this retinol that you can get over the counter. You can use, but make sure it's at 0.5 mg, that's milligram. Okay, so that you don't run into more issues with your face. You have sunburn, you have dark spots, you have hyperpigmentation. Please guys, just look for this soap. It contains retinol, okay, but it's in a milder amount. Okay, so it won't actually burn you. It is when you have severe acne, inflammation, breakout, and infection on the face. Probably you have something that is reacting and you don't understand, you cannot understand it, then you can go for the retinol, but in a tube form, but it has to be from a doctor. Okay guys, so if you have watched this moment, kindly subscribe like I said, and hit your notification bell so that you can be informed each time I bring you updates, new review. And don't forget, we do a lot of DIYs as well. We also do product unboxing, but we are growing gradually and we'll get there. Thank you so much guys. If you have hit the subscribe button, please, if you have not, please don't forget, do that and give me a thumbs up, comment on the comment section, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye guys.